So hi guys, the bubble is a little wavy, it's a big one. So I clip it in the two sides, so it's like big gun. So my sister's not here. I speak Tagalog. Gusto nyo Tagalogin ko kayo? Basta si Mango lang at si Chessa. Sorry. Chessa. Cheska. Ayan. Jessica. Nakita nyo to, subscriber ako sa inyo. Big fan ako. Laki-laking fan ako sa inyo. So, Merry Christmas! Wish you a Merry Christmas. So, wala kapatid ko dito. Gusto niyo makita, pumunta lang kayo sa Charlie Day Malayaw. Subscribe nyo na sana 200 po. Ano yun? 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 So, ewan ko bakit na ganyan. So, thank you all. I'm almost 2,000. Last week is 199. I just celebrate. It's now 197. Please subscribe so I can reach 200. 200, please. And so, I don't have 200k likes. So, I wish I have that. I wish that. I don't say don't subscribe. And you want to subscribe, it's okay. And you don't, that's okay. And you want to subscribe, you have a milk. Milk. Joke lang, this is my little sister. Joke, I don't like this milk. So, I love you guys. So, my huggy wuggy is the butt because I just really, my huggy wuggy is the CR. Nagligo kasi ako sa butt siya. Gusto ko kasi hindi pa ako nakaligo. Sabi ng mama ko, kami dalawa ng kapatid ko, si Haya, maliit. Basta gusto daw, magsiswimming daw kami sa butt siya. Papasahan ko siya. So, I love you all. Thank you. I'm almost to 200 subscribers. Please subscribe to my Charlie Day Malayaw. Love you. Peace. Peace.